Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the AULA Gaming Mechanical Keyboard User Guide. Package contents. Wired mechanical keyboard. Handrest. Key puller. Instruction manual. Product overview. 1 cable. 2 mode key. 3 light effect volume knob. 4 double injection keycap. 5 indicator light. 6 metal plate. 7 magnetic hand rest. 8 holder. 9 bottom cover. 10 mat. Specification. Wired USB connection. 108 keys. 4.0 mm key travel. 60 grams key actuation force. 50 million keystrokes lifespan. Weight, 0.83 kilograms. Compatible with Windows Vista, 7, 8, 10 and Mac. Installation. Plug and play. The wired mechanical keyboard supports plug and play. After connecting with USB, the computer will automatically detect the keyboard without a driver or CD. Product description. Dual mode knob with 3 custom light mode buttons for personalized lighting effects, multimedia controls, double shot keycaps, mechanical switches for great feel, responsive keys, magnetic hand rest, and smart sleep mode with backlight auto off. Product features. Knob dual mode design, default lighting mode, like light effect mode and multimedia mode. Operation mode, long press for 3 seconds to switch the multimedia mode, the knob light is off. In the light effect mode, the knob light is on. FN plus escape 1 to 2 seconds to restore the factory defaults. Multimedia mode. In multimedia mode, knob light is off to multimedia mode. Click the button to mute the function. In the multimedia mode, rotate the knob up to decrease the volume, rotate the knob down to increase the volume. Light effect mode. In the light effect mode, the rotation indicator lights up to the lighting mode. Click the button to switch the light effect mode and store up to 19 lighting effects. In the light effect mode, rotate the knob down to dim the brightness of the light. Rotate the knob down to increase the brightness of the light. Custom lighting mode. The M1, M2, M3 button has been set to the game area lighting. In addition, you can make your lights according to your preferences. After pressing the M button for 3 seconds, the knob indicator flashes to flash the keyboard, and then press the M button to confirm. Full key macro programming setting. Warnings. Liquid spills. Spills can damage the electrical components. Be cautious with drinks around your keyboard. Excessive force. While mechanical keyboards are designed to be durable, avoid slamming keys or applying excessive force. Dust and debris. Built-up dust and debris can affect key responsiveness. Electrical compatibility. Ensure the keyboard is compatible with your computer's USB port and power output. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.